Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we encounter an error that says entry point not found dynamic link library. So for that we will be starting with going to the command prompt window. So we can simply make a type here in the window search tab, CMD. And then once you have done that, you will see under best match the command prompt options, and here at the right section, you will see the run as administrator option. Once you click on that, you will be able to see this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes, and then you will get this black window here. So here, all you need to do is just to type system info. Again, it's system info. Once done typing, just please click on enter or OK, and it is now starting to load. So this window here will give you the system information. So just look for, we will be looking for system type. So we have now x64 based PC. So just please remember or bear in mind the system type in here. And then we will be opening the browser. So just open any browser that you have there, either Edge or Google Chrome. So I'll just open my Google Chrome browser, and then here I'll need to type in the search tab the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2013. And once you have clicked on that, you will see this user account. You will see this search result under Microsoft. So just please click on that, and please make sure that it is from Microsoft. So once you click on that, you will be redirected and brought to the another window here or another tab. And all you need to do is just to select for the language. So just click on this drop down button here, select the language that you understand, and then click on download. And once you have done that, you will have to choose the download that you want. So just select the option here based on the system type that you have. So since I have x64, I will be selecting an option that has 64 in it. So we have here VC Redist 64. So I'll just click on that, select it, and then click on download. And once downloaded, it will now start to be downloaded in my device. I'll just wait for this to be done. Okay, so once done, just open the file and then just install it. So let me just open this one. And then click on I agree to the license terms and conditions. And then click on install. And once you have done that, just click on this yes button here to proceed. And then it will be starting to install in your device. So let me just minimize this one as well as this one. Okay, so it says now that the setup is successful. So let me just close this window here, and then the next thing we need to do is to go to that software. So let me just go to the command prompt. So once that is installed, I'll just click here in the window search tab CMD, and then you will see under best match the command prompt option. Here in the right section, you will see this run as administrator option. So just click on that, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes, and then this black window will be coming up. All you need to do is just to type here SFC space / scan now, and it will scan the system in your device. SFC space / scan now, and then just click on enter after typing it. And then once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with your device, and you won't be facing or experiencing the same error again. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.